Welcome to Bible Knowledge English Channel Episode 1. 1. What was the name of Jesus' mother? A. Martha. B. Mary. C. Elizabeth. D. Sarah. Correct answer, B. Mary, Matthew chapter 1 verse 18. 2. What was the name of the garden where Adam and Eve lived? A. Garden of Paradise. B. Garden of Life. C. Garden of Eden. D. Garden of Heaven. Correct answer, C. Garden of Eden, Genesis chapter 2 verse 8. 3. With what food did Jesus feed 5,000 people? A. Bread and meat. B. Fish and rice. C. Loaves of bread and fishes. D. Wheat and fruits. Correct answer, C. Loaves of bread and fishes, Matthew chapter 14 verse 19. 4. What method did the Romans use to kill Jesus? A. Stoning. B. Beheading. C. Crucifixion. D. Hanging. Correct answer, C. Crucifixion, Mark chapter 15 verse 25. 5. From which part of Adam's body did God create Eve? A. Heart. B. Rib. C. Shoulder. D. Hand. Correct answer, B. Rib, Genesis chapter 2 verse 21. Please like, share and subscribe. Also click on bell icon.